So I'm at the jetty today to try and pick up some trash, but because it's got an east wind, the Sargassum, that seaweed, has come into the beach area and made the trash picking impossible. Looks like some erosion. We need that westerly wind to clean it up. We got a turtle's nest over here, which is really nice to see. And there's another one about 150 yards that way that I saw last week. But looks like we're done. See, we've got a bunch of pelicans feeding. This Sargassum is a home for all infant sea life. So they live just underneath the Sargassum and grow. There's probably turtles in there, a ton of fish, and jellyfish, and the whole 9 yards under there. Okay, so that's that.